Bonjour et bienvenue à Semaine 8, Week 8. You have already made it to this final week in this COVID adventure, if we want to call it that, of our fourth quarter in school. And so for these assignments this week, I try to keep them extremely simple and to the point. So instead of normally on time right now, you would be doing for week 8, since we've been doing every other week with the communication choice boards, I am actually giving you a break, and instead I am giving you two different assignments that are just written. And so for this first one, 8.1, as you can see, the due date is a little different. It's le 5 juin, just because for you, this would be your last day of school. I would not be able to have something due past that date normally, and so instead of being due on Sunday, it'll be due Friday the 5th, le 5 juin. And so this first assignment actually is more of a personal connection for you to make to me, to just tell me about, in English, your online schooling experiences for this quarter compared to when you were in school. So I'd like you to write a good sized paragraph, which means more than 5 sentences, even if it's 6, 7 sentences, just something to tell me about your whole experience with online learning for the quarter. It doesn't have to specifically pertain to just French. It could be about all of your classes. You could specifically mention classes. It's up to you how you want to do it. You could also include things about your personal experiences with it. Was it hard to navigate? And this isn't speaking, by the way, to school for this last part, if you choose to talk about it. So if you want to talk about the personal stuff, that means what was hard to navigate with COVID. Was it hard to not leave your house? Was it hard to not see certain people? Was it hard to not see the same faces at school every day, to have that personal connection with people? Was it easy or hard for you to follow these new COVID rules put out by the CDC and WHO and the state and the different state mandates? So whatever speaks to you, I want you to write about it. So I'm not going to read through all this. You can read this when you get the assignment, but it's just giving you ideas for you to write about. You don't need to include all of it. It's just more so if you're stuck and you're not sure what to write about. And so I also want to say, though, at the bottom here, that if you will have received a passing score, thank you for everything that you have turned in and for keeping my job easy and being able to grade you for putting in work instead of all these missing flags in PowerSchool. I really appreciate anyone that has tried this quarter, especially in this tough time, to make your grade a passing grade for fourth quarter. I really appreciate that. I've seen your consistency, I've seen your effort, and it will not go unnoticed this fall when I see you again. And so with that, I'd like to say have a great summer. Passez les beaux vacances d'été. But I am also going to talk about 8.2 for your last assignment of this quarter. And so it is a meme. All you're going to do is look at this meme and you are going to talk to me about it. Very easy. I tried to find something just simple for this last week for you. So you've probably noticed that pronunciation is not always straightforward in French. Phonetics are truly bizarre. Please give 5 example words that you learned this year in French 1 of words that were not said how they were spelt, which is many words in French. Also give 2 or more words or expressions that are your favorite and that you will always remember well from French. So, letters and their pronunciation. Silent, majority of them, right? Vowel combinations sound different depending on the vowels. Does not sound like what's even in the word. And this is a little bit of normal pronunciation of words in French. I would say, for example, ça va is probably the most phonetic, simple, and straightforward words that you learned in the beginning of the year. So anyway, think of some examples, words that are spelt really goofy, that are said quite differently. Come up with 5 examples, look at your vocab lists if you get stuck. And again, I'm just trying to come up with easy, fun assignments for you to do in this last week. So with that, I hope you guys have an excellent summer. Passez les beaux vacances d'été et au revoir.